With the Maharashtra state polls just around the corner, the Ajit Pawar-led NCP has suffered a major blow as 4 of its top leaders from Pimpri Chinchwad have decided to quit the party. Now, it doesn't end here. Sources have also claimed that these leaders are set to join Sharad Pawar's NCP camp on the 20th of July. Those splitting ties with Ajit's NCP include the party's Pimpri Chinchwad unit chief, Ajit Gawane, its students' wing head, Yash Sane, and former corporators Rahul Bhosle and Pankaj Bhalekar. On the other hand, reports also claim that more than 20 other corporators have opted out of the Ajit camp. This development also comes just after Ajit's NCP and the Mahayuti suffered an embarrassing defeat in the recent Lok Sabha elections in Maharashtra. Now, remember, Sharad Pawar last month had said that those who wanted to weaken his party would not be taken in, but his NCP faction would accept leaders who would not hurt the party's image.
मैंने कल इस्तीफा दिया है और आज हम लोग सब यहाँ भूसरी विधानसभा के जो कॉर्पोरेटर्स हैं, एक्स कॉर्पोरेटर्स हैं, हम सब लोग एक साथ यहाँ अभी मीटिंग करेंगे और आगे चल के हमारी जो आगे की रणनीति है वो हम लोग तय करेंगे। और आज हम आदरणीय पवार साहब का भी आशीर्वाद लेने जाने वाले हैं और अभी सब लोग मिलकर इकट्ठा हम लोग डिसीजन लेंगे।
और कौन से पदाधिकारी थे जिन्होंने आपके साथ में इस्तीफा दिया?
मेरे साथ कार्याध्यक्ष राहुल भोसले जो है उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया, यश साने जो विद्यार्थी संगठन के अध्यक्ष है उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया और भूसरी विधानसभा के अध्यक्ष पंकज भालेकर इन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया है।
क्या वजह थी आपकी कि आप अजित पवार को छोड़कर इस्तीफा देकर शरद पवार के साथ जाना चाहते हैं?
यहाँ आपने अगर देखा जाए पिंपरी चिंचवड सिटी को तो इसको एक बहुत अच्छी तरह से डेवलपमेंट हुई थी जिसमें पवार साहब का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा।
आए दिनों खबरें आती हैं कि महाराष्ट्र के अलग अलग जिलों में सड़कों की हालत खराब है। पीडब्ल्यूडी विभाग अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा। आज सड़क बनाए जाते हैं, कल ही उखड़ जाते हैं। और वैसे तो अब तो बरसात का मौसम है। बरसात में अगर मूसलाधार बरसात होगी तो सड़कें तो और बुरी तरह खराब हो जाएंगी, क्योंकि ये लापरवाही पीडब्ल्यूडी विभाग और उनके इंजीनियरों की।
Now, crossing over to my colleague Abhishek to get us more on this. Abhishek, when it comes to the other partners of the Mahayuti, what exactly is the response?
Definitely, this is something that they are responding in a manner that this is something bound to happen. After the victory of Maha Vikas Aghadi, remember they won around 30 seats out of the 48 seats in Maharashtra, leaving the rest around 17 for the Mahayuti and 1 for the independent candidate. And in that case, if we talk specifically about the Sharad Pawar camp, they fought on 10 seats and won 8 out of 10. So the strike rate of Sharad Pawar is 80% is what is being told, and in that case this is something which was bound to happen, is what has been claimed by the alliance partners of the MVA. And more important to note that it is a stronghold of Ajit Pawar camp in Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune and Baramati area, where these kinds of development are taking place, and this is just the start, is what is believed by those alliance partners. And soon it will spread across Maharashtra, and there will be a big change, or you can say a ghar wapsi of all those MLAs, in fact all those office bearers who have switched to Ajit Pawar camp earlier. In fact, we have seen how there were insecurity, changing of candidates and several other things at the time of Lok Sabha polls, and fearing the same, there is insecurity in the MLAs of Ajit Pawar camp also, whether they will get the renomination for the assembly segment of that particular constituency or not. And there are many other uncertainty towards the Ajit camp. That's the reason this big switch can be seen starting from Pimpri Chinchwad, which is the stronghold of Ajit camp. Now what happens next is something we will have to closely monitor, and which will be the next group or the fraction from Ajit Pawar camp which switches to Sharad Pawar is something that we will have to closely monitor. But it has started as claimed by the alliance partner of Maha Vikas Aghadi. Back to you.